Hi, I'm Adam and welcome to Adam Made It. So this is the current state of affairs with my table saw. All I've done is I've taken the side tables off, or the extension tables, I've taken the rear off, and obviously I've taken the fence track off. So I was planning on using the UJK universal T-slots in my workbench. This is just the 916mm. I quite like the colour. So I was planning on using these in my workbench. However, I potentially might use them in my table saw table, just because the T-slots that are currently in there are not very good. I don't really want to grind them out. I feel like maybe just buying some MDF and using them might be a better option. I use my miter saw to cut down the lengths. I just clamped another piece of wood onto the workbench and use that as a stop block to make sure that all my cuts are exactly the same length. The legs all cut. So after much deliberation, this is currently my stand. It's going to be for the table saw. What I plan on doing next is making another 2 legs this side, another 2 legs this side. So this is what the table saw will sit on. I lost the footage of making this, but all I've done is I've butt jointed it all together. So I held it into position, used a T-square to make sure that it was all square. Butt jointed it, so I screwed, countersunk, and then drilled some holes through. I measured on my table saw the distance between the top of the table saw and where it sits onto these legs. I then transferred that measurement to here. Okay, so this is the next bit of the build. I currently just screwed down some MDF onto what was my base and then put my table saw on. My next thing is I'm going to check that it's level. My dog's decided to help or hinder. Lucky, say hello. So this is partway through the build of my table saw bench. This is it fully completed. So as you can see, all I've done is I've added the same 2 box frames to either side of the table saw so that they're all the same height and that they're all level. This ensures that all of my cuts that I'll do will be straight and can be measured to be 90 degrees between the bed and the saw. Now I made this obviously for my height, being 6'2", but you can always make it to your own height that suits yourself. There's no limitations of this. I include in the description the measurements that I've used for both the MDF and for the legs and the boxes. Just want to say thank you for watching. I hope you liked this video and found it entertaining and maybe informative. I hope you like it and subscribe. I'll be releasing a lot more content in the next coming weeks, trying to grow my channel, and don't forget to give me a follow on Instagram.